guys, this is gonna be my first YouTube video, so I have to read it. And so today I'm joined with my buddy Chris.
By the way,
and my brothers. Mom and Dad are right over there.
But by the way, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's gonna be in the link, the link of the description. Yeah, it's gonna be like
there.
it's Chris the Gamer.
Yeah, and I'm gonna soon make. This is gonna be my first YouTube channel.
And you better subscribe.
YouTube video.
Yes, guys, subscribe. Subscribe and click that bell.
Okay, guys. If you want to, if you don't want to subscribe, it's okay.
Yeah.
Because it's my first video. And if you don't want to hit the, and if you don't want to like the button, like this video, God, it's okay.
Yeah, and you can
So
also
you-
dislike if you want.
Yes.
Be free to share your opinion.
Yes. So, and you can show your comments down below, down
You
there.
didn't see my face, by the way.
They did.
Yeah, boy.
So,
I just like how you do this.
so guys, this is Chris right now. He has his own YouTube channel.
Yeah, it's Chris the Gamer right here.
And I'm gonna link you to his channel. Cause you're my friend. And he also is. So
By the way, I uploaded a new video. And don't check it out. And don't even unsubscribe to him. You could do that.
it's okay if they share them.
By the way, I'm gonna subscribe anyway, so.
So guys, if I can like over like 10 or 9 or 5,
You're gonna play Roblox or Fortnite or Pip.
Yes, that's correct. So
Maybe all of them.
bye.